Leo. This is a Leo bonus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Leo? Kamusta? Kamusta ang puso? Kamusta ang pag-ibig? Alright. Kamusta ang goals? Yun ang naalala ko. It's about money. Yung June reading natin. Goals. And then, isang past person na hindi mo pa nare-let go. So, let's see kung ano pa ang message or guidance para sa ating mga Leo. Leo, June bonus reading. Let's see kung ano ang meron. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Okay? PM lang. Alright, let's shuffle. Okay, let's see kung ano meron para sa mga Leo. Bonus reading for the month of June. Hierophant in reverse. Okay. The feminine in this connection feels like gusto pa rin niya naman na magkaroon ng reconnection, pero hindi na siya, she doesn't feel confident and secure about the reconnection na nangyayari right now. So kung ano man yung mga naging pangako na kasal, engagement, stable relationship, ang dami na niyang iniisip na baka hindi ito good idea na ituloy. Okay? I feel there is a travel here. Someone will travel. Pero, parang naka-hold back yung mga ino-offer. I feel nagiging mas careful. Wow. Parang, I feel this is the cat and mouse game. Someone is trying to pursue someone, the feminine, okay? Maging stereotype lang muna ako. The masculine is trying to chase the feminine, pero sabi ng feminine, ano ba talaga yung offer mo? Kasi walang nakikita na solid offer yung feminine here, yung empress, from the masculine. So sabi niya, ano to? Na parang, are you just keeping me at arm's length para once na nakapag-decide ka, nandyan pa rin ako. Kasi hindi maramdaman yung totoong offer kasi wala naman talagang naibibigay. I mean, there has been promises, pero parang walang nagmamaterialize. Walang nagmaterialize in the past. Okay? Maraming revelation, mga hindi magandang nalaman. So, napag-usapan naman to at nagkaroon ng realization na parang hindi stable tong connection na to. No, marami pang dapat ayusin. Nag-focus sa self-love, pareho kayo, you kept the, like, parang maging civil sa isa't isa. Kung hindi nyo man kayang maging romantic muna, nagkaroon ng pause sa romantic connection na to. At sabi nyo, sige, maging civil lang. Ayaw nyo rin kasi ng drama, ayaw nyo ng away-away, you know. But the offer of love is on hold. The passionate connection is in reverse, hindi itinutuloy right now. But I feel, nagkaroon ng victory dun sa part na yon na parang mas makakabuti, no? Nagkaroon ng realization na parang mas makakabuti na wag mo nang ituloy itong passionate connection na to. Doon nandun pa rin, no? I feel baka nag-uusap, okay, nagkakamustahan pa rin. Or, I don't know, baka may mga duties na kailangang pa rin mag-usap kayong dalawa, okay, for some of you. There has been an energy of new beginning here, the choice to have a new beginning. Ayan na nga. So after that, parang nagkaroon pa rin ng consideration na sige, ilaban, mag-usap pa rin. Pero after few considerations, nagkaroon ng realization na parang hindi na ata kayang ilaban at both of you has to start a new life na magkahiwalay kayo. Ang daming lies and hanggang ngayon, ang dami pa rin unanswered. Yung mga doubts, ang dami pa rin hindi nasagot. And you're trying to release yourself kasi sabi mo, napaka-unhealthy naman just to overthink this. In the first place, alam mo naman na hindi healthy yung connection. So, parang naisip mo minsan, kailangan mo pa ba talaga ng concrete evidence wherein ang dami na rin namang nasabi ng person mo na hindi siya ready for this relationship. Alright? Kumbaga, tinatanong mo sa sarili mo, ano pa bang ebidensya yung kailangan ng puso mo para mag-agree dun sa logic na sinasabi ng mind mo. Nahihirapan ka lang naman mag-move forward at bitiwan tong connection na to because yung puso mo umaasa dun sa fantasy na binenta sa'yo ng person mo. Get my drift? Alright, that's so sad! Oh my gosh. So, The reason for the reading is lahat naman ibinigay mo ng hard work para maging maayos tong connection na to, no? Nagkaroon ng away bate, and I feel, no, marami ka na rin pinagdaan ng painful situation in your past relationship na sabi mo is gusto mo naman, no, napaka-flaky nung energy nung person mo na minsan ipaparamdam niya sa'yo na hindi siya ready, minsan ang dami niyang pangako at marami siyang pinaparamdam sa'yo na ready siya for a commitment, pero kinabukasan parang naiiba. Very flaky energy. Okay? So, marami na rin nangyari sa buhay mo na you're still trying to heal from. So, sabi mo is ayaw mo na syempre ng ganon. Okay? Hanggang kaya mong makisama with your person, nakisama ka, but nahanap mo yung truth sa situation that someone is not being honest sa'yo. So you walk away from your person and you hold back any offer. Pero hanggang ngayon, hindi mo pa rin maisip bakit to nagawa ng person na to sa'yo. Because totoo yung pagmamahal mo dun sa person mo. Kaya hindi mo ma-imagine bakit siya ganun. At eto lang naman yung sinasabi ko rin, no, ang hirap basta-basta magtiwala kasi most of the time, meron kang mabuting puso and you're expecting other people to have the same heart as you at nasasaktan ka because dahil dun sa expectations mo na yon at pinatunayan ng person na pinagkatiwalaan mo ng puso mo na alam mo yun, na hindi siya yung taong inakala mo siya. Okay? May mask. Merong realization na mali yung pagkakakilala mo sa kanya. So, nagkaroon ng decision sa'yo and nagkaroon ng wisdom na hindi ito yung star fulfillment mo, hindi ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng buhay na gusto mo, and slowly you're releasing yourself from this energy. Okay? Right now, Leo, nahirapan ka pa rin na mag-move forward, you feel stuck, ang dami mo pa rin questions, ang dami mo pa rin hinahanap na answer dito sa nangyari na to. Okay? Sobra kang nasaktan, sobra kang na-disappoint, kasi feeling mo eto na yung relationship na para sa'yo. But then, hindi siya nag-move forward the way you expect this connection to flourish. Whew! Nagkaroon ng malaking transformation and lesson sa'yo tong relationship na to. I feel nagkaroon ng trust issues. May nai-involve na ibang energy dito. So, you feel at talaga nagkaroon ka ng decision to release this connection at to start your life all over again. Ay, parang kanta. Alright? So, your person has the devil energy. Marami siyang habits. This is not the first time na ginawa to ng person mo. Kung may energy of like toxicity, parang may narcissistic patterns here, napaka-selfish, hindi ito yung first time na ginawa to ng person na to. Nagkaroon ng ending, but nagkaroon pa rin ng consideration na tama ba to or hindi. There's an energy of the masculine here na parang very observant siya kung hanggang saan niya kayang i-manipulate yung situation for this feminine to stay. Nagkaroon din naman ng sadness. I don't know kung kulang lang sa awareness tong masculine na to. Nagkaroon din ng sadness because of conflict and competition, because parang yung isa dito was put on a competition with a third energy here. Sobrang nasaktan yung feminine kasi sobra niyang sa pagmamahal niya ng sobra sa masculine. But right now, sabi ng feminine, it's really time to end this kasi sobra siyang nasaktan. Right? So, I feel meron ng fear and doubt here kung magiging stable pa tong connection na to. In the next 3 months, I feel magiging tahimik, walang maayos na communication. But, Leo, I feel you'll be very patient. Meron ka mga hinihintay na mag-manifest. Meron kang hinihintay kung kailan ka dapat mag-offer sa person mo. Meron kang isang person na gusto mabigyan ng offer, okay? Pero hindi mo alam kung paano to gawin for now. Because feeling mo wala rin namang mangyayari. I feel ito yung isang tao na hindi pa nakaka-detach no? Kaya nagkakaroon ng problema sa connection na to at nagkakaroon ng reconsideration na bigyan ulit ng offer tong past person. And that would be the Leo reading for the month of June. See you again in a few days for your July reading. PM me for your personal reading at kung paano ka magkaroon ng blessed